Alright, in scientific forms, I'm going to try to explain how prisms work. First is the special theory of relativity in quantum mechanics. Lack of standards of absolute universal applications, sure. That's what I read, at least. Mass increases as velocity increases, and mass plus energy equal the same. Time is dependent on the observer. The next is gravitational time dilation. Difference of elapsed time between two events as measured by observers situated at varying distances from a gravitating mass. The weaker the gravitational potential, the faster time passes. Since time measures distance and energy is what moves. Since time measures distance and energy is what moves, the looser gravitational pull, faster time seems to pass. It's kind of already explained, but I believe it is because people sense energy, and the more gravity is, the longer the energy takes to get to one being affected, they only see part. But since the entire EMS electromagnetic spectrum moves at the speed of light, you still have an absolute concept, even if it is less energy than someone else received. Now, quantum superposition is two quantum states, which is basically like two rays of light coming from different directions, can be added together to get a new quantum state, and those are called qubit states. Now, linear superposition of the basic states, such as one wave of electromagnetic spectrum, is actually zero, being what is affected. And the second wave to cause an altered superposed state is 1, and they are described of probability amplitude of probability or probability density. When adding 0 plus 1 together, you square root by 2 the combination of both. I can only assume it is if E equals mc squared, then E being manipulated or affected on would have the opposite and equal effect of that interference. Now basically what that means is that if you had a prism with light going through it and it creates that rainbow effect, that's because it's all those qubit states and superposed states, the light's getting to you at different levels of frequency on the different scale of how tall it is. So that'll be the different sides of the rainbow as well as the different colors getting to you. So that's the scientific form of how rainbows come from prisms and other things like that. It also works for technology, but that's not what we're talking about right now. Thank you, bye.